Hello everyone, Ginger Millingtone here from Surrey Arts. Not quite so ginger anymore, well no, a bit ginger but blonde. That's the result of lockdown hair from my daughters. Hope you're all keeping well. As we go back to face-to-face lessons, here's a few things to think about. A lot of people, a lot of students that I teach say to me, how do you do a fill? How would you construct a fill? Don't really know what to do. Well, I'm here to show you a few easy ways using, if you're a football fan, some of your favourite football teams, and if you're a food fan, some food. Now you might think to yourself, what's that got to do with drumming? Well, let me show you. I'm going to play a bar of a normal straight 8 sort of groove rhythm, and then I'm going to add 4 football teams in. Wait and see. This is how we're going to do it. Oh yes. So let's take 4 football teams. Let's take Man City. Let's take Liverpool, Crystal Palace, which is, of course, the best team in the country, and Spurs, who my next door neighbour loves. So, yeah, no, they're all right. Okay. So, let's see. How do we incorporate that into fills? Well, like this. Here's a bar of rhythm, and here's a fill using those 4 football teams. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Man City, Liverpool, Crystal Palace, Spurs. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Man City, Liverpool, Crystal Palace, Spurs. Let's mix them up a bit now. 3 and 4 and Crystal Palace, Liverpool, Spurs. Man City, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Man City, Liverpool, Spurs, Crystal Palace. As you can see, each syllable of the football team, you can use a certain drum stroke to. And each football team is assigned a drum. So, for instance, on the snare drum, Man City, then on the high tom, Liverpool, then Crystal Palace, Spurs. So each football team starts with a new beat. There's the 4 in the bar. Man City, Liverpool, Crystal Palace, Spurs. Man City, Liverpool, Crystal Palace, Spurs. Now, it does help if you count out loud and use your voice. This actually is the most important thing you can do. And my experience in teaching over the last 16, 17 years has shown me that people who count out loud or in some way articulate with their voice what it is they're trying to play learn 10 times quicker. Yes, 10 times quicker. I sound like a double glazing salesman, don't I? You won't know what that is, kids, but that was big back in the 80s. But yeah, you do learn 10 times quicker than those people who don't make the connection between their brain, their body and their voice. Okay, so always use your voices to articulate what it is you want to play. Okay, now, for all those who don't like football, let's take food. So, say we're going to McDonald's and we're going to make a fast food order. Okay, and your teacher says to, your mum says to you, what do you fancy? And, you know, you happen to think, I quite like it. I'm a bit hungry, so I might have a chicken burger. I might have milkshake, French fries, and hamburger. Now, that's quite a lot. Okay, so chicken burger, milkshake, fries, hamburger. Okay? Chicken burger, fries, milkshake, hamburger. We've also got another one as well. We've got sausage roll. Now, I know they don't do sausage rolls at McDonald's, but don't worry about it. We can add that in. All right. So let's take the most basic fill that we all do. Okay. And we'll have 4 chicken burgers in this case. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger. You've got a fill. There's your first fill constructed out of food. Not out of food, but using each syllable from a certain food, assigned to a different drum, bang. Anyway, so let's mix it up a bit. Let's have chicken burger, sausage roll, hamburger, French fries, all right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and chicken burger, sausage roll, hamburger, French fries. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and chicken burger, sausage roll, hamburger, French fries. 1 and 2 and 4 and chicken burger, sausage roll, hamburger, French fries. Now when you come back So always hit a crash cymbal on the 1, like this. Chicken, burger, sausage roll, hamburger, French fries. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and sausage roll, sausage roll, sausage roll, chicken burger. 1 and 2 and 4. Now, what you can do is we can have the last syllable of the food on the bass drum, like this. Sausage roll, chicken burger, French fries. Now what we're starting to do there is we're starting to split the drums up. So we're using the bass drum as well. Chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger. Yeah? Makes it a bit more interesting. Sausage roll, chicken burger, chicken burger. I'll do that again because that was a bit long. So I'm going to put two chicken burgers with the bass drum on the gur and 2 chicken burgers with the bass drum on the burger. I think we'll start off with the burger and then the gur. 3 and 4 and chicken burger, chicken burger. We're almost all human. Let's make this up again. So 2 on the burger on the first 2 drums and then the gur on these 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger. 1. Okay, see what we're doing? Do that again. Chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger. 1, 2. Takes a bit of thinking. Chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger, chicken burger. And now you're with a pretty good. Now that sounds pretty good, doesn't it? You can have whole sort of solos made up from food. Just by using that different, we call that linear when we have a voice on its own, so just single voices the whole time. Right, well I hope that gives you some inspiration. If you have any questions or you have any ideas for things that you might want to add in, put them in. Put in whatever. It could be family names, it could be places you've been to, it could be anything. But every word has a rhythm, and rhythm has speech is rhythm. So that's why rap works so well, you see. So we can you can make up whatever you want. If you've got any questions, please get in touch with someone from Surrey Arts, who will be very, very pleased to pass the questions on to me. If it's about where you can get this jumper, it's an absolute secret. My Aunt Maud knitted it for me, actually. No, it's no secret. My Aunt Maud knitted it for me. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, stay safe, keep practicing, because whatever you put into something, you get out of it. Okay? Thank you.